In the realm of business English, understanding the nuances of phrases like used to, be used to, get used to, and got used to can elevate your communication skills, particularly when discussing work habits, adjustments to new roles, or organizational changes. These structures are invaluable for describing different types of familiarity and adaptation, both past and present. First off, a common mistake is using used to, which is not correct and should be replaced by usually to describe a current habit. For example, in a business context, you might say, I usually review financial statements on Mondays. Moving on, the term used to, followed by an infinitive verb, refers to a past habit or condition that no longer exists. For instance, I used to work in sales before transitioning to marketing. This phrase is particularly useful when discussing career history or changes in company policy. Next, the phrase be used to is useful when you want to convey that you're accustomed to a certain condition or activity. For example, our team is used to meeting tight deadlines. This can be helpful during team-building exercises or while onboarding new employees to set expectations. Now let's talk about get used to and its variant, getting used to, plus gerund verb. These phrases describe the process of becoming accustomed to something, whether it's a stable condition or an evolving situation. For example, it takes time to get used to the corporate culture here, blends seamlessly with, I'm getting used to multitasking since taking on my new role. The second specifically highlights an ongoing adjustment and sets the stage for continued adaptation. Lastly, got used to is the past tense of get used to, and is used to talk about a past process of adaptation. For instance, I got used to multitasking when I was a project manager. This could be useful when discussing the skills or adaptability you've developed over time. To cap it all, the phrase used to is employed to describe past habits or conditions. Be used to communicates current familiarity or adaptation. Get used to signifies the ongoing process of becoming familiar or adapted. And got used to tells of past adaptations. By mastering these phrases, you can discuss professional experiences and challenges in a more nuanced and precise way.
Demystify English.